Hello everybody, welcome to iExamBee's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. In this video today, I'm going to discuss with you all descriptive answer number 5. This video belongs to my series which I have started very recently on LegalBee channel. LegalBee is our exclusive YouTube channel that provides you content for legal exam preparation, strategic preparation videos, content and whatnot. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel immediately and take the benefit of all the videos available. अगर आप कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, you can check our online courses available on www.iexambee.com. आप इन कोर्सेज के डेमो एक्टिवेट करके देख सकते हैं. You can write us an email on hello@iexambee.com. Call us on the number 9205524028. इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में भी आप हमें रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. Descriptive answer writing is a skill. But if you understand what is the important technique of it, then definitely you can score well in this section of the competitive exams. आप इन सारे वीडियोस के पीपीटी को डाउनलोड करके रख सकते हैं. इससे आपकी आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस होगी. आप उसको क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हैं. जो भी पॉइंट्स कवर्ड है, जो भी आपके डाउट्स है, आप वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे लिख सकते हैं. इस वीडियो के इस सीरीज़ के बाकी की वीडियोस भी आप ज़रूर चेक कर लीजिएगा. हर एक में एक डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन, उसके साथ एक सैम्पल आंसर डिस्कस किया हुआ है. Question number 5. This is an error. It should be question number 5. What is the nature and extent of liability of a partner in an LLP? This is picked from the Limited Liability Partnership Act, from which the question is about nature and extent of liability of a partner. Starting with an introduction as always. Every partner of an LLP would be, for the purpose of business of the LLP, an agent of the LLP, but not of the other partners. The most important line should be in the start, in the introduction. Be very careful when you write the introduction. It catches the attention of the examiner. It tells the examiner that what you know and how much you know in the very first instance. So always try to be very specific. Especially जब आपकी word limit 250, 300 ही है, तो आपको ज़्यादा खींचना नहीं है, ज़्यादा ड्रैग नहीं करना है आंसर्स को. सिस्टमैटिकली कंसाइज फॉर्म में अपने आंसर को प्रेजेंट करना है. सो फर्स्ट लाइन में ही हमने कह दिया दैट ही इज एन एजेंट ऑफ एलएलपी बट नॉट ऑफ अदर पार्टनर्स. लायबिलिटी ऑफ पार्टनर्स शैल बी लिमिटेड एक्सेप्ट इन केस ऑफ अनऑथराइज्ड एक्ट्स, फ्रॉड्स एंड नेग्लिजेंस. इन सब चीज़ों में पर्सनल अनलिमिटेड लायबिलिटी हो जाती है. Partner shall not be personally liable for wrongful acts or omission of any other partner. This also you have to specify. An obligation of the LLP, whether arising in contract or otherwise, is solely the obligation of the LLP only. The liabilities of LLP shall be met out of the property of the LLP. Now, in a crux, we have given an idea about all the important points of this answer, which we will cover in detail. Limited liability. In case of LLP, the liability is limited to the contributions of each partner in an LLP. There is no unlimited liability as in case of a partnership firm. The liability is discharged out of the property of the LLP. Extent of liability of limited liability partnership, section 27. A limited liability partnership is not bound by anything done by a partner if he does any act without authority of the person, knows the partner, or if the person knows that the partner has no authority to do that act. The obligations of LLP solely belong to it and are to be met out from the property of the LLP. So if suppose the LLP is not, if the partner is not having authority to do any act on behalf of LLP, and the person who is dealing with him, he also knows that this partner is not having authority on behalf of LLP, then definitely in such kind of cases which are done knowingly by both that defaulting partner and the person relying on his representation, then LLP उसमें liable नहीं होगा and LLP की property से वो obligation discharge नहीं किया जाएगा. Extent of liability of a partner in an LLP. This is about partner now. पिछले point में हमने देखा extent of liability of LLP individually, because LLP का भी existence माना जाता है. Legal personality has been attributed to it. The partner shall be personally liable of a partner for his wrongful act or omission, but a partner shall not be personally liable for the wrongful act or omission of any other partner of the LLP. So he won't be liable for any other partner of the LLP. ये specify करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये point actually agency पे depend करता है. Agency का point मैंने यहाँ पे conclusion में कवर किया हुआ है. अगर आपको स्पेसिफिकली एजेंसी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आता है देन आपको एजेंसी वाले सारे पॉइंट्स को मेन बॉडी में लेना होगा. This is how you have to divide your answer and understand what is the main body of the answer, what has to come in introduction and what has to come in conclusion. In regard to liability, there lies a huge difference in between LLP and partnership. In LLP, a partner is an agent of the firm, but not of other partners. Therefore, the liability is only in accordance with the agency. A partner shall not be liable for acts of other partners. So this is how you can frame your answers with us at iExamB. In case of any queries, do reach out to us. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamB. Download our app from Google Play Store and check out all the course features available on our app as well. हम लोग ऑनलाइन भी आपको फीचर्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं. दिस इज हाउ यू कैन एक्सेस इट ऑन द ऐप. यू कैन डाउनलोड द कंटेंट एंड यू कैन रीड इट ऑनलाइन एज पर योर टाइमिंग्स एंड leisure timings. So do download our app from the Google Play Store. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.